In this very quick video guide, we're going to explore a website where we can get free music and also royalty-free music and also licensable music, etc., etc. So it's called FMA. So it means Free Music Archive, and the address is freemusicarchive.org, and it's like divided into two main sections. So we have a pro section, which contains music that can be used for your project and royalty-free music, and you can use it in any media like YouTube, Facebook, etc., etc. But those are like for sale. And then we have the free music archive, where we find also free music that we can play. In general, we can use it, we can download it, we can share it, and they have different types of permissions. Some of those are royalty free, some of those are public domain, etc., etc. But let's get into it. So I'm going to show you here from the beginning. This is the well, let me just close these two ones, and I'm gonna reopen it again. But essentially, this is like the pro version. So I'm gonna open on one page the pro version, which you can see contains like a chart, and you can put things to buy in there. And then you have the FMA free archive itself, and you need to log in or sign up. And also here you can get to the pro section from here. But let's say we want to just search for something. You can type anything you want if you're looking for like a specific music. So you can search for a name or whatever. Or you can just go for, you can explore for categories by category. So I'm going to search for jazz, and here I find a list of tracks. So you can press the play button and you can play back. You can hear if you like it, if you enjoy it. You can download it. You can add it to a list. And also when you download it, you must read here the indications if you on the appropriate use of this. So, and the license type. So you can see this is for only for personal use, and other uses are not allowed, like to use in YouTube or others. So for that, you may want to go to the Pro version. And also to download, you need again to create an account in order to do it. But there it is, it's really simple. Then you can add it again to your mix, and you can put a like to that. Now on the filters here on the top, I can add, for example, instrumental if I want only instrumental. And this is the, I think, the most important filter, which is the usage filter and the licenses. So if you want to use something for anything, you may want to use public domain. CC BY also, it usually is good because it just needs the author to be mentioned and to be accredited in the credits. And all the others you can see here, they have different types of licenses. And if you want to know more, there is also a CC license guide, which is really important again. So we can search, we can put some filters in the search, and there we go. So you can apply the filters. Also, you can add more genre to the search, and also add duration. For example, here I can search for 1 minute duration and it's not finding anything. And so if you're looking for like a specific duration, you can do that. And that's it. So click download when you find something you like. You can see now this is CC0 public domain and may not have limitations, but you need to check always. You need to make sure when you create something that is commercial that everything is fine with the licenses, and everything will not cause you some troubles one way or the other. And this is a guide also on the CC licenses, and you can translate this. For example, here I can translate mine in Italian just by using Google or any other translator, artificial intelligence translator, and wherever. And so everything is written in here. So make sure you check the license and you read carefully what uses are permitted and what not of certain tracks. Every other track, you can search it in the Tribe of Noise Pro, which is the other side. So also here you have some filters for the genre, the feeling, the energy, the duration, and if you don't want vocals, or which vocals you want. And once you find it, here you need to add it to your chart. So these are not, you can play them back here, you can hear them in a preview, but You see they have prices, and you can see which users are permitted with those licenses that you're gonna buy. And this will be all for this video guide. It's a really quick video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more videos. If you want to support us, thank us, join the channel as a supporter, check our other courses and video guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.